Ready to level up your crypto game by moving USDT from Bybit to your favorite investment platform? Let's get started. First, open your Bybit app and tap on Assets located at the bottom right corner of your screen. This will take you to your wallet overview. Next, select the Withdraw button. It's usually near the top of the screen. This will initiate the withdrawal process. Now choose USDT from the list of available cryptocurrencies. Make sure you're selecting the correct coin to avoid any losses. Here's a crucial step: select the correct network. TRC20 is a common and often cheaper option, so tap on TRC to double-check that the investment platform you're sending to also supports TRC20. Now, paste the receiving USDT address from your investment platform into the wallet address field. Triple-check this address. Even a single wrong character can lead to irreversible loss of funds. Many platforms also offer QR codes for easy scanning with your camera. Enter the amount of USDT you wish to transfer. You can also tap the All button if you want to send your entire USDT balance. Be mindful of any withdrawal fees displayed and ensure you account for them. Finally, review all the details carefully, including the address, amount, and network. If everything looks correct, tap the Withdraw button at the bottom. You may be prompted for 2FA verification. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the transaction. And that's it. Your USDT is on its way to your investment platform. The transfer time can vary depending on network congestion, so be patient. Happy investing.